Hey guys, on this video, I want to give you 4 signs that you're probably not ready to retire just yet. Now listen, retirement is the goal for all of us, right? We want to retire, and most of us, we want to retire as soon as possible. We don't want to be 65 and 75 and 85 before we retire, right? We want to get to retirement quickly. Now, I'm going to give you 4 signs that you're not ready to retire just yet, but I want you to pay attention to number 4, because number 4 hurts most of us, at least here in America, for sure. So number 1 is the obvious. You just absolutely don't have enough money to retire, right? You've done all of your calculations where you figured out how much your expenses are going to be when you retire, and you figured out how much money you're going to have coming in income when you retire. You've added everything up, looking at your monthly expenses now, and maybe you projected those monthly expenses for 5 years down the road, right? Each year, adding 2% inflation in, right? In other words, if your monthly bills today are $4,000, go ahead and increase that by 2% next year. Increase that by 3% the following year. Increase it by 2% the following year. And then maybe 3% another year. And then if you keep doing this for the 5 years from now that you want to retire, or the 10 years that you want to retire, you'll have an idea what your expenses will be 10 years from now. If you take your 4,000 and you just continue to increase it year by year, that 2 or 3%, it represents inflation when you do that exercise. So once you do that, you figured out what your expenses are going to be when you want to retire. And then you thought about the income that you're going to have when you retire. You add those 2 things up, and once you calculate all that, you begin to see whether or not you're going to have enough income to retire now or to retire in 5 years or 10 years. And so that's the big elephant in the room, guys. Do you have enough money? Because listen, if we had enough money to retire, most of us would have retired yesterday, right? So that's number 1. If you do all of your numbers and you figure out you just don't have enough money right now to retire, it means you got to wait 5 years, 10 years, or whenever you do have enough money to retire, because you have to pay for stuff. The thing about retirement is you just don't have that steady income coming in from earned income every single 2 weeks or every single month. You've got to make sure you've got enough income to cover you when that runs out, when you're ready to retire. Now, number 2 is this. You probably aren't ready to retire just yet if you have not figured out what you want to do after retirement, what you want to do when it's all said and done, and how you want to spend that time. Because listen, guys, when you retire, it's cool to chill and sit back and do nothing. But after a couple of months of that, you get antsy, and you get antsy wanting to do something, because it's in our nature as human beings to be productive, right? To accomplish things, to have goals, and make an impact as well, right? So you want to make sure you have something that's planned that you want to do. Maybe it could be some vacations, right? Maybe it could be some leisure things. But what is it that you want to do that's productive, right? When you retire, it may not be another job. You may just want to stay at home and bake, or maybe you want to go volunteer and help people out on a regular basis. Whatever it may be, come up with something substantial that you really want to do and accomplish when you retire. That makes retirement more sweet. And it also makes you anticipate the retirement as well. So if you don't have anything planned for when you decide to stop working, and you don't know what you're going to do when you retire, you're probably not ready to retire just yet. Hey guys, if you're getting anything at all out of this video, do me a favor and please smash the like button. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. And feel free to share this video with somebody who you think could use this information. All right, now, number 3. The third sign that you're probably not ready to retire just yet is that you love what you do. You enjoy what you do. You find purpose in what you do. You could be 55, 65, 70 years old. But if you enjoy what you do and you're having fun at what you do, and it gives you life and it gives you energy, and you feel like you're making an impact on lives or on systems or processes that you enjoy spending time doing, keep doing what you're doing. You don't have to retire and just quit and leave if you enjoy your job. If you really like what you're doing, keep doing it. If it's giving you the energy and the oomph and the reason to get up in the morning, every single morning, keep going. Don't stop. There's no need to retire if you like what you do. Why stop? There's no reason that you need to stop doing something that you really enjoy. So if that's you, that's a sign that you're probably not ready to retire right now. Now, I told you to stick around for number 4 because number 4 gets so many of us, guys. It's really important. If you have a lot of debt still, you're probably not ready to retire. And I mean debt specifically on things that are going down in value, but maybe you even have some debt on a home with a mortgage, right? If that's you, you may not be ready to retire. Guys, one of the most important things about retirement, again, going back to number one, is you gotta have money. You gotta have the funds to fund your lifestyle. And if you have a lot of debt, things that you have to pay on monthly, right? Medical bills, cars, credit cards, student loans, whatever it may be. If that's what you have, guys, you may not be ready to retire. You want to eliminate as much debt as possible before you retire, because that's going to lower your monthly expenses and it's going to allow you to need less money. And the reason is because debt causes you to use your money, right? That's why even when you're not retired, if you have a bunch of debt, especially on things that are going down in value, it's not a good thing, because if you have a bunch of debt and money's coming in and money's going right back out to pay your debts, if you have a lot of debt, it robs you of having money today, cash right now, or money in hand, because you got to shell it all out to other people, to bills and creditors and lenders, right? So you want to make sure that when you get to the point where you want to retire, you have as little debt as possible so that you have as much money as possible. And we all get taken in by this debt thing. If you're thinking about retirement 2 years down the road, 4 years, 10 years down the road, try to pay off all of your debts before you retire. And if that's a mortgage or a house, pay that off too, because who wants to pay $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 a month towards a mortgage when you could be debt free and keep that money for yourself so that you can go do things that you really, really enjoy when you retire? So do your best to get as much out of debt as possible before you retire. And if you have a lot of debt right now, you're probably not ready to retire. So hey guys, there you have it. The 4 signs that you may not be ready to retire just yet. Do me a favor, guys, drop me a comment below. Let me know, are you retired? Are you ready to retire? Do you plan to retire anytime soon? Or at least do you plan to retire early? Let me know that in the comments below. And again, guys, if you got anything out of the video, smash that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and share the video. And also turn your notifications on so that you're notified whenever I release a new video. Hey guys, I offer one-on-one financial mentoring and coaching. If you're looking to grow your current income by adding multiple streams of income, or you want to maximize the current income that you have and get the most out of your money right now, or simply become a better manager of your money, a better steward over your current finances, I might be a good fit for you. You'll find a link to my schedule below. Feel free to reach out to me, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to put some videos above me right here, guys. Check those out for some other tips about retirement. Hey, guys, the best person who's going to take care of the old you is the young you. Take care of yourself and always take care of other people. Until the next video, peace.